Welcome here to Ferdinand Park where we have Racing United taking on Water FC in the Jamaica Premier League match week 14. This gears up to be an exciting encounter. Certainly, I do believe you guys will enjoy this one. We are expecting, as I say, a cracking match. Two attacking starting lineup for each team. So you know we will see some attacking football. That is just a part of the game, eh? As you can see, teams getting them going through the paces in the warm-up session. Beautiful drone shot here, as you guys can see. And we set for kickoff as Racing. Set the kickoff. Here comes Racing United now. As I said, we do expect a lot of attacking football. As you can see the early intent there from the Racing team. Ronaldo Biggs, the nice move, switching out wide. Overlapping fullback. Biggs going back again for support. Racing on the attack here. Not necessarily showing a lot of competence. Basco across inside the box and taking nicely. Ellis flicks it on, and that's a chance there. Half a chance, I would say, for the Racing team, but they didn't necessarily make the best of it. Crossing the box by Odini. Goalkeeper should take that one quite easily. Last time both teams met, it was actually a really exciting encounter. I think Racing got a TV game where they literally announced themselves 1-2 pass here between Martin and Atafrai Bygrave. Martin goes inside, goes for a cross. Big chance here, and Bygrave did not have enough on it at all. I think he could have done a lot better there with that opportunity. Just crossing that but power. So he was actually trying to generate the power on the cross. Another pass over the top. Here comes Bygrave again. He has been the striking force for this Waterhouse team. Fletcher trying to get the ball inside and dealt with a little bit easy by the Racing defense. Racing defense looking a lot more compact now than that we have seen on the early stage of the season. Ball over the top. And chance there. Nice work from the goalkeeper, actually. That's really good work from the goalkeeper. Carlington there trying to get involved in the action, giving away point blank. Martin Davis, good selection there. That's a nice pass over the top. And Fletcher did not do well with that one at all. You can see his body shape trying to take the ball in his chest. I'm sure that was the right move to do in that situation. Maybe if it was sucked out to the left toe, then maybe able to take the ball in his stride. Brian plays it off. Nice pass from Brian to Fletcher. Fletcher sees Brian on the go, and he turns up there to turn back. Should be across inside the box here. Fletcher again. Then all the Thomas getting on the action. Nice bit of possession here for Waterhouse. Elvis driving forward as the gap opens up, and a tackle across there. That's inside the box. And another attempt there by Fletcher. Elvis is still on the ground. That was a good driving run there from Elvis. And just the moment he was about to get the ball off. Some good defensive display there from Reed. To just nick the ball from Elvis in the final moments. Ellis finds Johnson. That's a nice pass from Johnson. Unfortunately, Elvis was not following up the play. Waterhouse again on the attack. Brian, so easily to see on the pitch. Back pass here to the goalkeeper. And that's taken by Holmes, and as you can see what happened here. Holmes booted the one out, but there was a good pressing from Brian. Ball came actually off Brian. Nice cheeky chip pass in the middle of the party, but I do think that was some good pressing from Brian actually. I don't think Holmes could have done anything different. High press again from the Waterhouse team. Here comes the racing team, just playing out from the back, looking quite comfortable doing so, holding possession quite nicely. Ball over the top there in the no man's land, but they did get something from it. Pass on the top. Here comes Ronaldo Biggs, and Ronaldo Biggs with a cheeky pass, just trying to release. I think that's Reed. Big switch here, taken nicely. Pass at middle park. Here comes Davis, driving forward, out wide. Cheek pass from Leonardo inside. Cross inside from Campbell. Bygrave again. On top of that is Martin Davis, and he was unable to get a firm footing on that one. He just slightly rushed that one actually. Good bit of work from Bygrave in the penalty box here. Martin Davis, as you can see, just leaning back a little bit too much.
At just 4 minutes alone, we get off of the
Bygrave again.
Internal.
Chip pass inside the box.
No, the SD
dealt it by the defenders, and a long sweet strike from Fletcher. Unfortunately, was not on target. He was in a good position though. You'd expect him to at least get it on target. At least get it on target.
No, the SD card, no, it's incompatible.
As you can see, just roll a little bit over top of his foot. Thrown here by Leonardo. Ronaldo Biggs go for this one, and sweet little nutmeg here. I love to see that. Jamaican football supporters. Biggs open. Will he go for a shot? Yes, he does. And seems to be picking fruits. Seems to be picking fruits.
Nobody has scored.
Taken away there from Bashko. Here comes the Waterhouse team. Pass here. What a beautiful pass. And not the best here. Unfortunately, that's a poor finish from Leonardo Thomas. Very, very poor finish. You'd expect him to at least get that on target. But that's a brilliant pass inside the channel from Atafra Bygrave. Some really good playmaking abilities there. Ellis taken down nicely. Switch play quickly. Dini. Pass around the corner. Carlton. Pass on the top of the box. And that's a brilliant shot and a wonderful save. That's a nice shot. Really, really good shot there from. Well, not a whip inside the box. That was such a good attempt on goal from Johnson. And a brilliant save from the goalkeeper, John Wilson. As we kickstart the second half. Fletcher, pass from Brown. Fletcher, nice work there from Fletcher. Getting inside. Nice attempt, and Bygrave with a brilliant finish. That was some brilliant work by the Waterhouse team. playing out from the back. Wonderful work by Fletcher. He dribbled inside just to get that pass inside the heart of the Racing United defense. Bygrave latching on that one. Just put it in behind the goalkeeper. I think that was a shot and goal from Fletcher. Lacked the power. And this became a pass. Bygrave did what he does do best, which is putting the ball in the back of the net. Here comes Waterhouse again. Martin. Nice pass around. Here comes Bygrave. Shot and goal from Bygrave, and not necessarily the best. Basically went for throwing. Maybe the first touch was not necessarily the best. Then no, getting out the volley. Here comes a big error there by the Racing defenders. Bygrave. Carlisle Holmes came out the box and take out Bygrave. Boot the ball away. What was that? Red card for Holmes. As Bygrave was clean on goal. Holmes has packed up the stuff. He knows what's coming. And a big error by the defense here. As you can see, it was actually taken outside of the box, as you can see in replay there. Now Racing have to be finishing this game with 10 players. Can they hold up versus a very good Waterhouse team who's in some good form at this moment. That's a nice chip pass there. Gets in behind and did not do his best here. It's good work from Elvis here defensively. And cross inside. Does find someone. Good work there. Cross inside the box again. Brown and at the back post it was Johnson. Could not put the ball in the back of the net here. Just quite unfortunate. Racing seems a little bit more attacking since the red card. Nice pass out wide by Bygrave again. And well done to goalkeeper Ashiki Swearing. Another competent goalkeeper coming in goal for Racing.
So now he basically in the bank nice for the rest of the game and he's my defender.
Some nice delivery in the box and a header on goal. I think it was Bashko. Yes, it was. Glancing header. Did not get enough on that one to find the equalizer.
Sherry Bashko.
But it was a really good delivery. Wonderfully whipped in. See support in the back behind the goal. So that's Nandez. Here comes nice pass. Here comes Bygrave again. Swearing does well. No protection there. Bygrave cross inside the box. And this is Swearing with a brilliant save. What went wrong there? Brilliant work from Swearing. My God. Came out of this goal at the right moment, at the right time. Delaying Bygrave as much as possible. Also then returning at the right time as well. Put the ball in the back of the net. Or to stop the ball from going in the back of the net. That was a tremendous save. Ellis. Basco. Nice pass in. Not the best turn there. Give it away. Bad error there by the Waterhouse Seaman Campbell. Finds the equalizer. Coming off the bench. Right moment. Right time. It does look as if it came off his arm though. Did it came off his arm? Maybe it was. It didn't. It actually finds the equalizer. That was nice. Good pressing there from the racing team. And Campbell getting a goal that he definitely deserved from this pressing. Here comes racing again. Nice backley pass here. Ooh. Ellis. Nice work. He's so smooth and silky on the ball. Nice work from Ellis. Brilliant pass here from Ellis in behind the back post. Shot and goal. And the Waterhouse defenders were very sharp and keen on getting that ball away. Nice work from Ellis. Slippery. Swivering through to the park. And that should have definitely been a better shot on goal. Here comes Waterhouse now. That's a nice pass. Return pass here. Nice shot on attempted shot actually. Goalkeeper definitely had that one a little bit in his vision, or his hindsight, I would say. Here comes Fletcher. Having a good game. Bygrave getting involved as well. Fletcher again. 1-2 pass. Bygrave using some muscle there. Nice pass. This could be a goal here for Waterhouse, and it's a shot, and didn't get it out. As you can see, it was quite an entertaining matchup between both teams. Campbell getting the goal at 77 minutes, Bygrave on the 45 minutes, and that is it.